Yeah, got a lot of snow. A lot of snow. How much snow did you get? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Well, now we know how much snow I got. Enough to break my shed down. Okay, I'm not gonna do nothing about it because I'm getting two more days of snow. Yeah, 2 more days of snow. So there's nothing to do about this. Let it ride itself out. I cannot do anything. I have to learn. At least my greenhouse is still standing. Nothing has come down from it. Yeah, a lot of snow. Just gotta let nature get a turn. She needs a turn, and this is her turn, and that's what it is. You know? It is what it is. At least you guys saw together. You saw with me, and I found my shed. Ooh, you should feel this ice, honey. This ice is heavy. Heavy, okay? This ice is heavy as a rock. See that? You gotta be really strong to get that bad boy out. It will stay here. Ooh, look at the other side. See down there? Ooh, see over there? Look at over there. Wow. We would leave that just like this. And it's going to melt and all the water is going to run off because there's nothing you can really do. At least my bed is secure for the moment. When you think you're sunk, you're doing something, nature tells you something different. Nature tells you something. Snow on top of there. Can you see the wind over there? How that wind blowing on my greenhouse? Yeah. It's about to get worse than that next Wednesday and next Tuesday. More snowstorm and more wind. That's it. Blessings.